Ever found yourself wondering where to receive your ATOK tokens by scanning QR code in an ATOK app? Or maybe you're feeling a little lost on how to make it all work. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through exactly where to find and how to receive your digital assets with ease. It's time to take full control of your Web3 journey and start managing your tokens. First, launch the ATOK app on your phone. Once inside, you'll find your ATOK token balance displayed at the top of the screen. Then click Manage. Step 2, navigate to the Receive section. On the main screen, tap the Receive option. Here, you can select the type of asset you want to receive, such as ATOK tokens. Tap Set Amount, input the amount you want to request. You can also add a note explaining the reason for your request. This part is optional, but can be helpful. By default, the currency is set to USD, but you can change it. Tap the currency dropdown and select your preferred one, such as Korean won, Vietnam dong, euro. This will automatically convert and display the equivalent ATOK tokens value based on real-time exchange rates. After confirming, the app will generate a QR code with your amount and currency pre-filled. This is ready for the sender to scan and complete the payment. Need to share the request? Tap Download QR code to save it to your phone, or choose Share QR code to send it directly via messaging apps or social platforms. Turn every payment into a seamless experience with ATOK tokens. Thanks to ATOK's auto-convert currency feature, grabbing a coffee or settling a meal is now just one simple QR scan away. Don't miss out. Download ATOK today and unlock a smarter, faster way to pay.